你好, in this lesson we are going to learn words related to weather in Chinese. 晴天、多云、阴天、下雪、下雨、刮风、晴间多云、晴转多云、多云转阴、小雨、中雨、大雨、雷阵雨、暴风雨、雷、闪电、微风、大风、飓风、龙卷风、台风、小雪、中雪、大雪、雨夹雪、暴风雪。Tired of reading boring Chinese materials? Check out our Chinese leveled readers based on the HSK standard. Our stories cover a wide range of interesting topics for students of all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. The stories include Pinyin, English translations, and audio recordings read by native Chinese speakers. Learn Chinese the fun way. Ebook, available at Amazon, Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, Kobo. Paperback, available at Amazon.